Hello, my dear lovely friends. Take my salute. A very good morning to all of you. How are you doing? How have you been? What's up? I hope and expect that all of you are fit and fine with the blessing of God. Once again, I am back with you right now because you know that I try my level best to make so many useful videos that are very important and effective for all of you. My videos are very essential for all of you because I try my level best to make it attractive. You know that I have so many videos. Improve speaking English skills, daily conversation. It will help you a lot. Improve English speaking skills, daily conversation. Try to do it. If you want to be a perfect speaker, you will have to improve your English speaking. If you want to improve, if you want to enhance your speaking level, you will have to practice daily. There is no alternative way to practice without it. You will have to do it regularly. You will have to do it daily. You will have to manage it anyhow. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you will have to remember it. You will have to fix it. Otherwise, you can't be a perfect speaker. I know that most of you want to be perfect speakers. That's why regular practice is a must. Practice regularly and daily. You'll have to manage a partner with whom you can practice daily. If you don't get any partner, if you don't get any friend, if you don't get anyone with whom you can practice with yourself. Going to the mirror, you can select a topic and after selecting that topic, you can start talking with yourself. At the time of speaking, many words will come in your mind, many words will come in your brain. Then you will have to use it. And by doing this, your knowledge will enhance one by one. And then you will be able to speak fluently and fast. Wherever you will go, you will be confident that, and at one stage you will think that now I am a fluent speaker. I can start speaking with anyone easily and confidently. There is no fear in my mind. At one stage it was fearful. You were fearful and you couldn't speak fluently and confidently with any person. But right now you can do it because you have memorized so many vocabularies, so many important vocabularies. We are to use so many important vocabularies daily because vocabularies help us a lot to make sentences. If we don't know vocabularies, we can't make sentences easily and clearly. That's why vocabularies are so important for all of us. So you will have to improve your English speaking skills. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, you will have to practice daily at any cost. You will have to do it. If you can't do it, you can go a long way. So I think that you want to go a long way. That's why you will have to maintain it. If you don't maintain it, you can't be perfect. You can be expert. You can be adept. You can be skilled. So you will have to use your brain. There is a sharp brain. God has given us this sharp brain. You will have to use this brain to improve your English speaking skills. That's why you will have to practice daily after waking up early in the morning. Start doing it. If you do it and at one stage it will help you a lot. You will make it habit. If you do it habit, it will help you a lot, and at one stage you will start speaking with yourself. Wherever you will go, you will think that I have to speak in English because this is my mission, this is my dream, this is my great dream to be fluent speaker. That's why at any cost I will have to be fluent, I'll have to improve my English speaking skills. That's why I'll have to do it. If you do it, I think that you are going the right path. Nobody will stop you. In this case, if you are determined, you will have to fix your mind. You will have to set your mind that you are going to be fluent. You are going to win the world. That's why you'll have to do it. So practice daily and use so many new words. New words will help you make so many sentences, because you need so many words. It will help you improve your English speaking skills. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, it will help you a lot. That's why you will have to try your level best to do it. So you can do it regularly. If you do it regularly, I think that you are going the right way, and you will have to speak with some people who know English well. The persons who know English well can help you a lot, and they can find out your errors. Whenever you will make errors, they will help you whether you will make so many mistakes. So by doing this, you can improve your English speaking skills. If you are able to improve your English speaking skills, then you are a perfect speaker, and then you can do it easily and confidently. Wherever you will go, you will be able to do it, because then you will think that you are totally a perfect speaker, and you can use so many words, so many phrases, so many sentences as you wish. So if you do it, I think that you are doing the right thing, and you are going to the right path. So I think that if you try your level best, it is possible for you, and there is no person in the world who can do it without practicing. If you want to win the world, then you will have to do it, but you will have to think that success doesn't come automatically. Success doesn't come automatically. You will have to be industrious, you will have to be active, you will have to activate yourself, then it is possible for you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.